Hi, today we have SEAT Cupra. I'm going to show you how to change rear brake pads. To change the rear brake pads, we have to connect with diagnostic tester, so we can return the caliper pistons. I'm going to turn the ignition on. And I'm going to connect with the brakes. SEAT. Okay. Brake. Open rear brake calipers. So now I can hear the brake calipers are returning. Turn the ignition off, change the calipers. Okay, now we can get these lights on the dash, but after we replace the calipers, then the lights will go off. So next I'm going to remove the wheels and replace the brake pads. I have removed the wheels, so now I'm going to remove this metal bracket. This is like a metal spring, and it holds the caliper, so it won't make noises on bumpy roads. Next, with a screwdriver, I'm going to put like this, and I'm going to pull the brake caliper so I can return the piston. I can return it easily because I have returned the handbrake, and that's why I can so now with 7mm hex wrench I'm going to open these two bolts that hold the brake caliper. This one is a little tricky because the hose is too close. Now I can move the caliper and I can remove the brake pads. Next I'm going to replace the brake disc. The disc looks in good condition, but the owner wants to replace the brake pads and also the brake discs. So next I have to open this bolt and this bolt. I can't see them They are with 12 angle, probably M14. I'm going to raise the vehicle so I can open those bolts and remove the brake caliper mounting, and after that I'm going to open this bolt with Torx 30 and I can remove the disc. I have opened this bolt with Torx 30 and I have noticed that I can pull out the disc without removing the brake caliper mounting. So now I'm going to install the new ones. This is the part number. I'm checking if they are the same. They are the same. So now I'm going to install them. It's a little difficult with one hand, but I have managed to install them. And now I can install the bolt that holds the disc, and after that I can install the brake pads. Here I have new brake pads. This is the part number. This one is on the front and this one is on the back. This is not removable, so it stays red. And now I can install the brake pad, brake caliper, and tighten it with 2 bolts with 7mm hex wrench. I have tightened the brake caliper. I'm going to return the plastic covers. Next I have to return this metal spring. Like this. And now I just have to repeat the same procedure on the other side. I have replaced the disc and the pads on the other side. So now I can install the wheels, lower the vehicle, and connect with the diagnostic tester again. The vehicle is on the ground, so I'm going to turn the ignition on. And I'm going to press the close rear brake calipers. I can hear the calipers working. Okay, that is finished. So the the lights are still blinking, but we have to press the handbrake, then release it, and the lights are off. Turn the ignition off, turn the ignition on, lights are. I'm going to start the car. Everything is okay. So this means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.